So guys, I'm on Ome TV right now, and I'll tell you in this video how you can solve the echo problem in Ome TV. Basically, if you are an Android Ome TV user, then you'll find this problem now and then on Ome TV. But sometimes this error might also occur if you are using Ome TV on PC. So I'm gonna guide you through few steps with which you can reduce the Ome TV echo problem. So the first thing that you wanna do to solve the echo problem in Ome TV is to check the internet connection. So I have the internet connection perfectly working and fine. So this is not the problem. So the second thing that you want to do is just close the browser and then relaunch it and open Ome TV. So this might solve the echo problem. If this still doesn't solve the issue, the loudspeaker on your PC or phone might be the issue. So you're gonna lower the volume of the speaker of your phone or PC. You can just lower the volume of PC or phone. Lowering the volume of your PC or phone prevents the audio from being recorded from the other side, and it will prevent the echo problem. And the last but not the least, in order to solve the echo problem in Ome TV, you can just use a headphone or a earphone. It will make sure that the voice from other person on Ome TV is directly sent to your ear, and it will also remove outside noises and distractions because you will be speaking on the microphone of your earphone at a very near distance. The last solution, that is to use the earphone, solve the echo problem efficiently when I was using Ome TV on the Android phone. That's the way how we can solve the echo problem in Ome TV. If you like this video, then just give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, bye.